Okay, doing a walk around. This is my 1945 Chevy 3100. Yes, it's a 45, titled a 45. Started life in the Navy. And truck came from out of the Dakotas. It's a really nice, minimal rust kind of truck. The body panels and everything are in great shape. I mean, you get these places where there's been repairs and over the years, but let me tell you, the patina, it looks amazing on this truck. This is got a Nova front stub on it. Truck has disc brakes, power steering. It's got a 2000 Camaro LS1 5.7 LS. It's got air and heat, 4L60 transmission with overdrive. All the gauges are working, hooked up and working. Signals, lights, halogen lights. This is a fantastic driver truck. Front end, I mean, the stance is amazing on this truck. It's got the right stance. The front is very low, so you do have to watch how you pull in and out of driveways, streets, that kind of thing. But this truck drives 75, 80 miles an hour like it's nothing all day long down the road. This truck was used as a Jack Daniels promotional vehicle, was up at Sturgis every year since 2015. And it's still got the logos there, nice wood bed, fuel cell under the floor in the back, nice covered bench seat, nice interior, tinted glass, all new, tilt steering, like I said, AC. It does have a stereo in there as well. Little tip to how this truck started its life. I imagine those little lights there were some kind of an emergency light originally, back in the day. Windows roll up and down good. Grab the keys here. Key to on, push button start. Truck fires up, there's your gauges. A nice sounding exhaust. This engine compartment, like I said, that's a LS1 5.7. Got a nice tune on it, runs and drives great, shifts good. Does everything it's supposed to do. My favorite trucks, man. And it's got the AC, so right now it's like 100 degrees outside and it's cool inside this truck.